Today we're going to do a quick toy review and obstacle course run with the Grave Digger remote control monster truck. It charges with USB. There's a USB cable underneath. You just plug it into your computer or an iPhone block. It takes about an hour and a half to fully charge. I'm not sure how long it takes to run the battery down. That's what we're going to find out today. We have set up a little obstacle course. So we're going to run this thing through the obstacle course and just run it around and see what it can do. So we ran this thing into the ground for about, I guess the battery lasted about 45 minutes. This thing is pretty rugged, even though it's made of plastic, and the tires are made of some kind of styrofoam material. We ran it pretty hard, and it's definitely a pretty cool little toy for sure. If you want to get one of these for your kid, or even for yourself, because I mean grown-ups can play with this thing too, it's pretty awesome. I'll put a link in the description below and you can get yourself one. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching.